This weekend we decided to take a trip to Austin, the capital city of Texas and also known as the live music capital of the world. Summers can get very hot in Texas, and so we decided to make our first stop at one of our favorite parks. This small neighborhood park first opened in July 1972. Ricky Guerrero Park has a playground and a shaded splash pad that is open from May 1st through October 31st. There seems to be more water features at this splash pad than at many of the others, providing a good variety of ways to play even as the area inevitably fills up with young children. Another helpful way to stay cool in these summer days is stopping by JuiceLand. Founded in 2001 near the invigorating waters of Barton Springs Pool, JuiceLand has 33 locations in the United States, with 25 of those being in Austin, Texas. If you stop by any location, you'll be greeted by colorful walls, art, and a wide range of music. Not only can you buy healthy drinks and bowls, but you'll also find records, shirts, and unique murals for photo opportunities. Oftentimes, when we visit Austin, we don't tend to stay very long because of the heat. Is it good? Alright, so after a quick stop at JuiceLand for a refreshing drink on this hot summer day, we are now heading to the Texas Forces Military Museum.
Turn left.
Oftentimes when we visit Austin, we don't tend to stay very long because of the heat. This time around, we were determined to stay longer and explore more. Austin offers museums of all genres and eras. After searching, we found our next stop. Just a tad bit north of downtown Austin sits Camp Mabry, the headquarters of the Texas Army National Guard, Texas Air National Guard, and the Texas State Guard. Alright, so we made it to Camp Mabry, to the museum. There is a little checkpoint where you do have to show ID, but that's easy to get through. Inside, you'll find the Texas Military Forces Museum. The museum is open from Tuesday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and admission is free. The 45,000 square foot museum explores the history of the Texas militia and volunteer forces from 1823, the date of the first militia, to 1903, when Congress created the National Guard. From 1903 to present time, the museum tells the story of the Texas Army and National. The museum hosts special events such as reenactments during Memorial Day weekend, Veterans Day weekend, and the annual Texas Military Forces Open House event in April.
It's an airplane? Oh, you're right! Helicopter?
After visiting the museum, it was time for some food. We did make a quick stop to fuel up and grab a snack at Buc-ee's in New Braunfels, but it was time to grab some lunch and take a break. After doing a quick search, we found Dirty Martin's. Don't let the name fool you. First opened in 1926 as Martin's Comeback, with a single flat-top grill, 8 stool bars, and small drive-thru. Did we mention the floors were made of dirt? In 1950, the concrete foundation was poured in, but customers still referred to the restaurant as Dirty's. The name has stuck after all these years as Dirty Martin's. Serving a simple menu of burgers, sandwiches, and sides, we opted for some burgers as it was our first time. Alright guys, so we already left and experienced and got to explore the Texas Military Forces Museum, and now it's time for lunch. So every time we come to Austin, we try to check out a new place. Today we ended up at Dirty Martin's. It's pretty much in the downtown area. And they've been serving burgers since 1926. Definitely a new place we've never tried, so hopefully it's good.
What a hard life. More ice cream? Oh wait, finish please. Finish and then... Do I get?
Alright, Daniel's driving now. So we left Dirty Martin's burger place and it was really good. It reminds me of my mom's, like, really, she used to make really thin burgers, but they were pretty good. And now we're on our way to Blanton's art museum, and I think it's like a variety of art. Oh, it should be fun.
All right, we're here at the Blanton Museum of Art. Brazos Garage, literally right next door. $4 for like 2 hours, so I don't think we'll spend more time than that. After fueling, we made our way to our second museum of the day. Centrally located and on the University of Texas grounds is the Blanton Art Museum. Established in 1963 and having recent renovations done, including the 3-story tall shade structures, aka the pedals, winding path to parking, outdoor sound gallery, and viewing gallery. You see it? We thought Mattel would be napping during our time at the museum like he did in Washington, D.C. a couple years ago. Going way past his nap time, Mattel was wide awake and was enjoying exploring the museum with us. The Blanton has a permanent collection of more than 21,000 works and recognized for its European paintings. The museum also has encyclopedic collections of prints, drawings, modern and contemporary American and Latin art. Tail this way. All right, that was our first time visiting the Blanton Art Museum. It was $15 per adult. Mattel was free because it's under 5.
Yeah, under 5.
But totally worth it. Totally worth it. Covers so many different kinds of
Like
genres or arts or eras, and yeah, totally worth coming. All right, now that we're done with the Blanton Museum, we did stop to grab some water. Again, it's summertime, you want to stay hydrated. We are making one more stop. It is the Elisabet Net Museum. It is her house and all her sculptures. She was a German immigrant who came to Texas and made a lot of marble sculptures of a lot of Texas heroes or historical figures. So let's go in, let's check it out. Hopefully it's pretty cool to see. Just a few minutes north of the Blanton Art Museum in the Hyde Park neighborhood sits the Elisabet Net Museum. The museum is the historic home and studio of Elisabet Net, a German sculptor who moved to Austin in 1882. She was remembered for her statues and busts of European and Texas personages of the mid to late 19th century. Admission is free and open Wednesday through Sunday from 12 to 5 p.m. Wait for us. Right before leaving, the lovely lady mentioned a bakery just around the corner of the museum. We decided to go check it out and make that the last stop of the day. Quack's Bakery, an Austin institute since 1983 and relocated in the 1990s to its current location. The bakery offers scratch-made pastries, pies, cakes, cookies, and savory snacks. We went with a chocolate croissant, chocolate chip cookie, and a cinnamon roll. Alright guys, I think we're done. It's hot, we're tired, and we still gotta drive back home. So, all in all, we visited 3 museums, 1 restaurant, the bakery, but it is time to go home to San Antonio. Follow us as we continue our journey to explore more museums all across the state of Texas. This is just for us to spend time as a family, so Mateo can just learn more and explore more and just get to know Texas a lot more. So, until next time. All information for each stop will be in the description. If you liked any of these locations, make sure to visit on your next stop in Austin. Thanks for watching our weekend in Texas.